All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Domino 7 Show, live at Comic-Con, and we're here with
Anime for Humanity.
Okay, what's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah and
I'm Ryan.
Ryan. Do you want to be on the show too? Oh, you're on the show right now.
Dominic.
Dominic. Okay. All right. Y'all got some awesome games here. And guess what, folks? I have this, y'all. Yep.
We're offering people a chance to sit down during the convention and de-stress and play some games.
Oh yeah, and you know what? It's a shame for me to mock my cousin on my show. I did it last year. I mean, a couple of years ago at MAH01064. And guess what? You playing Ninja Gaiden already, huh?
Oh yeah?
I'm asking you.
Oh yes, yes I have.
Oh, and guess what? You know that snow level on Ninja Gaiden? Mm-hmm. He said, "Ooh, the door, ooh, the door," and he lost by the door. And Sarah, I don't know if you heard me or not.
About the low with the snow?
Yeah, and guess what? My cousin said, "Ooh, the door, ooh, the door."
Was he out here this weekend?
No, he at home. You know, well, he's grown now. Well, he older than me. Okay, so what are y'all charity again?
Our charity, Anime for Humanity. We use anime, video games, and cosplay.
Cosplay, all right.
Here to kind of open the doors and talk about mental health.
Mental health, all right. Well, I got. Another one.
Yes, this is Megan. She's actually our director here.
Well, I hope the camera didn't count what I'm saying, Dad.
Yeah, that's okay. I'll be sure to give her lots of stuff about it later.
Oh, all right. So anyway, would you like to be on the show?
Yeah, sure, Megan. She might be running around all crazy. So.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
You on the Domino 7 Show. Would you like to be on the Domino 7 Show?
We're just talking about the charity on his show.
Oh, okay. Are you taking pictures?
No, I'm taking videos and.
Oh.
It's not live. It's recorded. It's recording.
Yeah. Edit out me saying I almost peed my pants.
Well, all right, but anyway, people probably ain't gonna pay attention to that anyway. I always say poo-poo jokes anyway.
Well, I'm Megan.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay. And I'm so sad that you're going away. Oh, y'all not going away?
Oh, where's the
Oh, well, would y'all like to take a picture?
Yeah, sure, we'll take a picture.
Huh?
Sure.
Well, I gotta, when I take the picture, it's gonna go on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.
All right.
All right. All right, so I'm about to stop the tape. Well, I'll be right back with the final thought, okay? All right.